Hi Aries, welcome to Aurora Foretells. This is your monthly forecast for May 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon and Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. I have 4 cards laid out here which will highlight the message for May. So we have 6 of Pentacles, that is past influence that may affect you this month. We have 4 of Swords as main theme. We have 9 of Wands in the position of roadblocks. We have 2 of Wands in the position of possibilities. And I would also be taking out one more guidance card. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from Aurora Foretells. Please also follow me on Instagram to get the daily guidance and more oracle readings. So with 6 of Pentacles here, seems like you've been involved in some kind of charity work, had to loan some money out. Hope you've had a check on your commitments before lending out or loaning out money. It could also mean you may have taken someone under your wing and maybe supporting someone financially, could be for education, could be for health, or could be for any other reason. Some of you may be supporting a female figure, could be of zodiac Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. I will take out one more card to get more clarity. So we have 7 of Swords here. With 7 of Swords, I see cheating. So be safe where you are lending money or where you are investing money. Don't be gullible or emotional. Seems like in the past as well, you have had bad deal where it comes to lending money or signing up for schemes which look too good to be true. Also, someone may be taking more than their fair share from you. This especially could be relevant if you are lending money to your employees. So let's move to the next card. We have 4 of Swords here. So with 4 of Swords, I would definitely suggest please do take care of your health. Reach out to a doctor and don't hide anything. Be extra careful, especially when we are in the midst of a pandemic, which is hitting us really hard. Also be cautious of health of people around you. 4 of Swords also represent a low time for some of you. If there has been a terrible loss in your life, it is time to come to terms with it in order to heal and find that stability again. 4 of Swords is an important card which emphasizes on mental health. So please do reach out and talk to someone or reach out to a therapist. If you're in a relationship, this card can suggest that you're taking the time out to strengthen and consolidate your relationship. However, and very unfortunately, it looks like that your partner has already retreated from this relationship. They may be silent, distant, could be avoiding communication. You may feel that your relationship or marriage has ended. It is important to sit this one out and don't give any knee-jerk reactions. Take time to recover. A marriage counseling could be beneficial for you. So please do reach out to a marriage counselor. This could also mean some of you are already healing from a broken relationship. I would suggest take that time out, think through before you head forward. I also see a major burnout at work front or otherwise. Some of you may be feeling that your job is extremely boring, or it could be a job that you loved once upon a time, but now your passion for that job or your interest in that job has kind of passed out. I have one more card over here, which is Seven of Wands. With Seven of Wands here, I also see an unpleasant situation, or you will need to fight odds, which will totally burn you out. Unexpected problems could occur during this month. Let's move to the roadblocks for this month. We have Nine of Wands here. Nine of Wands is reminding you to have courage, be more resilient, and never give up. Things might not turn out exactly as you wanted, but if you hang in there, you will get something much better. Do reflect and introspect so that you can bring forward the real potential that you have, which for some reason seems to be blocked. You will also learn something new about yourself that is invaluable. With this card over here, be careful of hidden enemies. It could be a time to watch your back and give no one the opportunity to take advantage. You may feel very lonely in this situation, and there is a possibility that you do not know who you can really trust. You may have been caught off guard and didn't really see some situation coming in, and you may be totally surprised and shocked by its origin and orchestrators. This month, you definitely need to take care of physical exertion or any kind of burnout that may be stopping you to give in your best. So take care of your health. That's really important. It could also be that some of you could have taken too much in your plate. You may have too many commitments and projects that you're working on. You may need to probably relook at your commitments. Keep only what works for you. You have a tendency to get excited about new things, and you may want to be involved in all that comes your way. But the truth at this stage is that you may not be able to give them the equal attention. In business, your competitors may be closing in on you and trying to steal some of your clients or business. You need to be alert and on your guard for it. Don't let them take all that you have worked really hard for. You may think that they have an upper hand over you, but honestly, you've been here before, and you have to just realize your potential and be able to stand your ground. Four of Swords could also be telling you that you're being too complacent. If somebody is attacking your house, you have to protect it. This is not the time to be complacent. Now, for those who are in a new relationship, you may be very wary of any kind of commitment, since you have been hurt in the past and possibly several times. It's time to reflect upon what has not worked for you so you can free yourself from that pattern. You need to understand where you have been going wrong and break that negative cycle. Perhaps you've been looking for love in all wrong places. It is time for you to start afresh. Again, with Nine of Wands here, it could also mean that you may be involved with a partner who's carrying a lot of emotional baggage from previous relationships. So you may need to give them some time to think through this. So overall, with Nine of Wands as a block means that you need to analyze, assess situations in your life. And with Four of Swords as your main theme, it is time to break that complacency and get out of that inaction mode. Let's move to the next card. We have Two of Wands here. This card is in the position of possibilities. Two of Wands here is telling you that you are struggling to move forward. It could be due to power struggle, overthinking, pessimistic attitude, or probably just you are stuck in some unnecessary drama. Look forward towards your goals and ignore all the distractions around you. Twos in tarot also means decisions. Some of you may move on to something completely different in their career. Some may suddenly leave a boring job. The good part is Two of Wands does reflect secure career opportunities, but it also comes with its own new challenges. If you're in business, you may get an offer or an opportunity to expand your business. For some, it could even mean international expansion. Now we have the guidance card. Beautiful culmination card. So this is a time to tie up the loose ends. Before you can move forward, it is important that you come to terms with where you are now. Practice acceptance. You cannot move forward if you're leaving things unfinished. For those in broken relationships, moving on is difficult when love lingers, things are left unsaid, and you've not had the opportunity for closure in your relationship and in your heart. So, if there has been no closure, make that attempt to call, have that conversation over a cup of coffee, and close the chapters which you think are no longer going to take you forward. If you think there is a possibility of renewing a relationship, you could fix things, make amends if it is possible. Be clear on what was left unresolved and close the door on the past so that you can set yourself free. Only then you will have an opportunity for better relationships. So it is time to clear up outstanding grievances, pay off your old debts, and give someone close to you the freedom that they need. It is time to forgive and move on, knowing that there's something even better waiting for you. So take that leap of faith. So that's all for now. Also, do check the positive affirmations that you can work upon for this month. Note it in a journal or add it in your vision board. If you like this video and you're able to resonate with this reading, please leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Subscribe to Aurora Foretels for updates. Keep watching. Much love.